This content is for educational purposes only, not a professional advice. Strategies to get out of debt faster. When it comes to paying off debt, having a plan matters. Without a clear strategy, debt can feel stressful, costly, and never-ending. Luckily, there are a few proven debt repayment strategies that you can use to get out of debt faster. First up, the debt snowball method. This strategy focuses on paying off your smallest debts first. It may be the right strategy for you if you have too many loans of different sizes. Here's how it works. List all your debts from the smallest balance to the largest. Make the minimum payments on all your debts. Allocate any extra money to pay off the smallest debt. Once that debt is cleared, roll its payment and any extra money into the next smallest balance. Keep repeating the process until all your debts are gone. Next, we have the debt avalanche method. This strategy saves you more money in interest over time by focusing on high-interest debts first. You can follow these steps to implement the avalanche method. List your debts in order of interest rate from highest to lowest. Continue making minimum payments on all debts. Put any extra funds toward the debt with the highest interest rate. Once that's paid off, move to the next highest, and so on. A third strategy that combines the benefits of the previous two strategies and is easier to manage is debt consolidation. It involves combining all your debts into one single loan, often with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your payments and sometimes lower your monthly bill. To see the full benefit of debt consolidation, you need to first ensure that your credit score is good before applying for consolidation. Another often overlooked strategy is negotiating with your creditors. If you can prove that you are in financial difficulty, many creditors will be willing to work with you. They may offer payment holidays, temporary interest charge waivers, long-term repayment plans, or even settlements for a reduced amount. In summary, whether you choose the debt snowball, the debt avalanche, consolidation, or even negotiation, the most important step is to have a plan and stick to it. WeFi's mission is to help everybody achieve their financial goals. If you like this video and are looking for ways to improve your personal finances, download our smart app at www.wifiapp.com.